Makeup tutorial, makeup tutorial.
Hi guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really cool palette to share with you guys. It's nothing new, but to me it's new. I just saw these in Ulta. Today I got the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm super excited. I had some points and I was able to use them at Ulta to get this palette. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I'm going to swatch it and yeah, show you guys the colors. I think it's packaged very nicely. I appreciate the bubble wrap so that way, like if it's getting mailed somewhere, it doesn't get totally crushed. But this is, oops, whatever. This is it, and it is so beautiful. I've been wanting, I just love rainbow palettes. I can't get enough of them. If I see a rainbow palette, I'm gonna get it. The reason why I was drawn to this is because obviously the jewel tones, but they also give you the transition shade right here. So I'm really impressed by this, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So the first color that I'm going to swatch is this orange color right here. Ooh, super buttery. I love it. So this is what it looks like. I'm really excited. Okay, the next color that I'm going to swatch is this yellow one. It's more like a mustard. It's like bam, in your face. Next color is going to be this brown. Yes, yes, I love it. So pretty. Kind of reddish brown, and I'll be swatching the next row for you guys. This is the next row, and I tell you what guys, these two metallic shades definitely feel some moisture in it. It's very buttery. It's so creamy. I'm just really impressed by it. So I'm just, oh my goodness, I might have to do an eye look at the end of this swatch video. And now I'll be swatching the bottom row for you guys. And this is the bottom row. I love this rose gold shade. Okay guys, and those were all of the swatches. I'm so excited for this that I'm gonna go ahead and do a look really quick with this. I was gonna do a separate video, but I just can't wait. I wanna do something right now. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my concealer. What am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna do these colors, the green and just this little square right here. So my transition shade, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this orange. I'm just so impressed by these shadows. Like, they're so blendable and easy. Again, old news. I know people have reviewed this, but this is new for me and this is really exciting for me. So and I know I'm behind the times. It's just, I don't, for me, makeup is art and it's fun to do. I really enjoy it. Maybe one day if I get up there, I'll be able to review more makeup palettes that just came out and, you know, test more makeup. But at this point, I'm a broke girl and I can only do so much. Yeah, for now, just that's my channel. I'm gonna do makeup that I want to do, and if it's not the newest, greatest thing, I'm sorry. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip into this yellow shade, and then I'm going to blend it into the crease as well. And actually, I think, you know what, I'm gonna stick to these two and then these two down here. I'm gonna be taking this red and I'm gonna be putting it on the outer corner. And I'm just gonna be taking a clean, this one's stained, but it's clean, I promise. Just a plain fluffy brush. This is a Wet n Wild crease brush. It doesn't have a number or anything, and I'm just gonna continue to blend that. Again, with that Wet n Wild brush, I'm just gonna be blending it more. For the lid, I'm going to be taking this beautiful rose gold. Looking like a delicious sherbet. I love it. Gonna give it a nice wing. I mean, is it on fleek? Is it on point? I don't know. I stopped using that Lottie London horrid stamp eyeliner because I was like, oh, I'm not good enough or talented enough to make my own wing. Girl, like, this is so much better. If you go back on my old videos, it's tragic. Don't look. But I think I did okay. Ah, it got in there. Ah, you see it? Ah. Alright, I'm gonna be doing mascara now. Alright, and I just love how bright and just, I don't know, like lively this look is. I'm not gonna put any eyeliner or like any eyeshadow underneath. I don't know, I think it looks beautiful with the liner and the mascara already. Alright, the next thing is we're going to put on lashes. Alright guys, and that is the look. My camera is dying, so I gotta go ahead and finish this outro or whatever. Thank you so much for liking. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye. These lashes are stupid. They're like poking the out of my eye. Like, these going in the garbage. They're the Glints eyelashes. You can get them at Burlington, but they have such a thick, stupid band and it sticks in your freaking eye like a freaking katana. Like, they're not good. Don't buy them. Alright, bye.